The vocal production on this record is on another level because Karen Carpenter was an incredible vocalist. And while we're on the choruses, let's listen to how they enhanced the chorus lead vocals. They doubled them, but she was so good with her tone and phrasing and pitch control that you don't really notice that it's two takes.
Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way, talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together.
And for the backing vocals, Karen and Richard Carpenter sang together in what sounds like into the same microphone.
Oh, working together day to day, together.
And they did this part 2 more times for a total of 6 voices to create this full and rich sounding set of harmonies.
Oh, working together day to day, together.